Hi everybody, I am back today with a small little digital file that is available in my shop, and yes, I did my nails. This is, let's see, does it have a name? Well, it's this brand, Kiss, and I had gotten it from Walmart, and I thought it had a name, but it doesn't. So it's supposed to be like a mermaid theme. There are mermaid scales on this particular nail. Only issue with these is, and the last set that I was using, these little rhinestone things, they do pop off easily, and I do wash my hands a lot here and at work. Even with gloves, you know, I still wash in between, but I'm guessing somehow, or maybe the gloves took them. I don't know, but I lost one here and two on this one. But it's really not even noticeable. I do like these better than the last set I was using. The last set wasn't even this brand. It was a different brand. They came off too fast. But normally I only wear these on special occasions, holidays, and vacation. So, but tomorrow is Halloween. Today is the 30th. I thought I would just put them on just for a few days. And yeah, so I'm actually on a break from making planners just for a few days also. And I'll probably be back like after Halloween making some planners. Don't know what yet, but in between I was deciding, you know, I need to do another digital, even if it's just something small. And I remember that I had the 2019 calendar, the full year, and then no, the 2020 full year, and then the 2019 December calendar, and I knew I wanted to do something other than what I had. So I pulled my Winter Dreams kit, which is in the shop. It has these two characters in it, and used them for the designs because I don't know if this year I'll be doing a new Christmas kit. I don't know. It's, you know, I need to be inspired to be doing my digitals, and I haven't really been that inspired. So this is a small kit. It's just called Winter Dreams 2019 calendars. I don't know why I called it that though. It should have a different name because it's 2019 and 2020. So I'm going to change the name. I'll put the link down below. Maybe I'll just put, I don't know. Anyway, it'll have a different name probably by the time that you're watching this video. And this kit only includes the 2020 full year calendar and the 2019 December calendar with the bear, the llama, and some tabs in coordinating colors with this reddish color here and the mint. And it's 2 files. You'll get a JPEG, which you can pretty much use in any program, and the silhouette cut file, so it'll have the cut marks for it. But silhouette cut files, make sure if you do not have a silhouette machine, you won't be able to use that file in there, but the JPEG file you can. So okay, so anyway, this is how it'll look on the full sheet that you will print and then cut. Again, the JPEG file is like a photo, so you can just print that and cut it. You can cut it by hand or put it through other machines. And then secondly, the silhouette cut file. Okay, I use the silhouette cut file to do this, and I just wanted to show you how that looks. And I'm just gonna pull out my recent planner that I had made, which is the what is it, A6 agenda rings, so that I can kind of show you. The inserts are big enough for this, but this would be great for a B6. I still need to make myself a B6. And I mean, if you want to place it in here, you can have his head popping up too. And then we have this one here, which you can just slide into a side loading pocket and just have him peeking. I'll just leave them in there for now. And then the tabs, this is the original size that I made. You can shrink it down if you want a smaller tab, but you can either adhere it to the back of your dividers, I don't know if you can see that, or the front of your divider, and then laminate. And you can alternate, you know, your colors if you want to, but you know, you would just do that. And I just wanted to kind of show you how big the letters are once you have them in there. Let's see, I know one of them moved, but just so you get an idea. I actually have another kit with these same cuts or tabs. It's like a full sheet of just the tabs. So if you want just the tabs, I do have a file for just that one, or you can just grab this one with the calendars already. And yeah, so like I said, I can't keep my hands still, so I did have to do something. So I did this, and I do want to attempt to play with memory decks cards. And I don't know if this is like same size as a Rolodex card. You know how there's people have been buying the Rolodex, actual Rolodex, or the Heidi Swap one. So I have bought this in a kit from JoAnns, so it came with all this stuff. So I don't know if it is or isn't the same size as far as these holes here. But I do want to try an attempt, and I have a file that I'm going to test out, make sure it fits in here once I've cut it out, and then, you know, decorate it, see if I even like the whole concept, and then maybe I'll design some digitals for this, for, you know, the memory decks thing. Okay, you guys, so that's all that I have for you today. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye now.